Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to clean your earbuds EDIFIER X5 Pro. So I'm going to use these two brushes because I have this cleaning tool, but also you can use a toothbrush and ear sticks if you haven't something like me. And also I'm going to use isopropyl alcohol, and I recommend it to use it if you have it. It doesn't conduct electricity, so there will be no short circuit. Now I'm going to apply isopropyl alcohol at the charging contacts on my earbuds, and also inside the charging case we have this charging contact, so I'm going to apply it also to the charging case. Here we go. Now the second one. Now we should apply it to the charging contacts at the charging case, and for the charging case I'm going to use this brush, and as I said previously, you can use ear sticks. We need to clean these charging contacts. Also for the right earbud. Here we go. Now I'm going to clean charging contacts at the earbuds. And also for the right one. Now let's clean the grill. So we need to remove ear tip and clean it. Let's make it for the right one also. Make it slightly. And that's it. Now I can and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!